In this video we are talking about if Avax is going to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels again. As you can see on the weekly time frame, we saw this bullish explosion to the upside. First we had this downtrend right here and we were at this demand zone, but as we broke this last high to the upside and we saw a bullish order flow, we then saw this explosive move to the upside. And in the last video I said if we are going to the upside and if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside, that then the chances high that we see higher prices. I will show you now the clip from the last video. So as we go on the weekly time frame, I think the chances high that we are going to the upside, and especially if we are breaking this last highs and this supply zone to the upside, then I think the chances high that we see even higher prices for Avax. And as you can see, we saw the strong bullish move to the upside, but then we don't saw a body close over this supply zone. We just saw this wicks right here, and I'm always telling you that this wicks are signs that you take some liquidity over this supply zone, and that then the chances also high that we move again to the downside again, and that we then go to the opposite direction. But now the question is, can we continue our bullish structure to the upside, or do I think that the chance is higher that we go to lower levels? So as I said, we see this bullish structure right here, and it's very normal if we are going over the supply zone and see this wicks right here, that the chance is high that we see a move to the other direction. But we didn't saw a very strong move, and right now we are seeing this upwards move. So I think the chance is higher that we go to the upside, and especially if we are going over this highs right here with a daily or weekly body close, then the chance is extremely high that we see higher prices for Avax. And I think the next important resistance area is the supply zone right here. And if we are going to the upside, then we have to see how we react at this supply zone, because this supply zone caused the last lowest low, so it's very important that we are first breaking this one. But from this supply zone we saw this extreme bearish move, so the chance is high that we see some rejection right here. But if we are also breaking this supply zone to the upside, this would be a very bullish momentum, and the chance is high that we see even higher prices for Avax. But right now there's also the possibility that we go to the downside. But if we are going on the 4-hourly charts, I think it's very important that we don't breaking this last low, because if we are breaking this last low and find acceptance under this low, this would be a very bearish sign, and the chances high that we see even lower prices. But as long as we don't move under this one and just go to lower levels like this, then it would be a normal retracement, and the chances high that we see in higher high right here, and the chances high that we see in higher low right here, and that we then go to the upside again and continue our bullish structure. But if anything interesting happens for Avax, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Avax, and join my free Telegram group where I share daily updates on the crypto markets, so click on the first link at the video description. So all in all, we saw the strong bullish move on the higher time frame at Avax. We also moved into the supply zone, but then we didn't saw a real body close over this level. We just saw this wick right here. And as I'm always saying, as we see this wicks, the chances high that we move into the opposite direction. But right now we are still in a bullish structure. So as long as we don't break this level to the downside, the chance is higher that we go to the upside. And especially if we're breaking this last highs to the upside with a daily or weekly body close, then the chance is extremely high that we see an explosion for Avax. And the next important resistance area is the supply zone right here. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.